So now I'm going to teach you how to set up Claude Code locally. This because the system needs to create changes locally to work. So here we have two options. The first one is write in Google, download Claude Code and download it here. And the other option is click here where it says code. Now we have to go here where it says default and then click in local. Now, as you can see, we're downloading Claude. Now we have to click it. And here we need to move Claude to the applications carpet. Now that we have Claude in our carpet, we have to click it. Let's click here. And now what we need to do is to create a folder. Let's click here and name it Claude Ads Tutorial. Now in Claude Code, we have to click in the folder and now in open folder. Now let's go to the desktop and upload this folder. Now let's click Trust Workspace. And now, very important, you have to activate the bypass permissions. This because Claude will ask us many times if we want to do anything. So I recommend you to activate this mode. And now we have to go to this GitHub. The link is going to be in the comment section. And here we need to copy this. So let's copy. And now we have to paste this. So let's click enter. And now we have to wait like 2 minutes to set up the skills of NovoAds. Perfect. Now we need to create a NovoAds API. So to do that, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. Here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you can create these AI videos for just $1. That way you can try the platform and the API and see if you like it before paying any plan. So well, now we have to click in our user, go to settings, and here we need to click in developer, and here we need to click in create key. Now we have to name it, for example, Claude Ads Tutorial, and now we have to click here. Now we have to copy the key, and now we have to go back to Claude Code. So here we need to paste the key, now press enter, and now Claude will add this key to the .env file. So we have to wait a little bit. Perfect, we have finished with the setup. Now in the next part, I'm going to teach you how to create 40 static ads with a few prompts. So let's see you in the next part.